Here is a Greyline OCF 5.0 open channel flow monitor installed with a 6-inch Parshall flume. A non-contacting ultrasonic sensor is mounted above the approach section of the flume. A sensor sunscreen is included to maintain accuracy of the built-in temperature compensation sensor. The flume includes a staff gauge for visual reference of the flow rate. The OCF 5.0 flow meter displays the current flow rate and totalizer. One key press displays the daily flow report with total, minimum, maximum, and average flow rates logged for each day. Calibration and all the instrument functions are accessed through a 5-button keypad and password-protected menu system. This is the Greyline OCF 5.0 Open Channel Flow Monitor.